Tips for weight management. Part 4. Physical activity recommendations. Number 1. Find activities you enjoy. Choose physical activities that you enjoy and are more likely to stick with long-term, whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport. Number 2. Mix up your routine. Incorporate a variety of activities, including aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility exercises, to improve overall fitness and prevent boredom. Number 3. Stay active throughout the day. Look for opportunities to be active throughout the day, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break. Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.